This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Extreme video. This is for Wednesday, May 27th. I'm James Spann. We're settling into an early summer pattern. Warm, muggy, scattered showers and storms. You know the drill. Let's go in there and check things out today. Soupy air mass all across the deep south. We have pockets of convection in progress. That was the radar at 2:31. At that point, the heavier storms were over counties like Sumter, Marengo, Clark, Monroe, Conecuh, and Covington. Down in South Alabama, other big storms around the Golden Triangle in Mississippi. Those are moving northeast. Many of you will get wet tonight. In fact, the guys at WPC even put out a little graphic indicating maybe some localized flooding issues for parts of West Alabama with the stronger storms. We don't expect any widespread flooding problems. There's an MCV, a mesoscale convective vortex over northeast Louisiana, moves northeast. To the west, we have a severe thunderstorm watch until 7 for parts of central, east, and south Mississippi. And again, we'll see strong storms around here, but organized severe weather not likely. Around the nation, a number of severe thunderstorm watches up in the north and northeast. A tornado watch for parts of Kansas. And there's a look at the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Kind of looks like late May, a bunch of slight risk areas, one over far southwest Alabama, the rest of the state with a standard marginal risk. And I say standard, that's actually below standard. That's just what it indicates, a marginal risk. We don't expect any organized severe weather. Tomorrow, the risk mainly to the west, a marginal risk down to Mobile and Baldwin counties of extreme South Alabama. And on day 3, a marginal risk to the west from Texas up to the Great Lakes. Here's the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning. Again, the bigger numbers over Texas and Oklahoma. It's been a drought-busting pattern for sure there. And around here, average amounts 1 inch, but trust me, your number will vary. All right, model fans, here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. And you can see how the core of the westerlies are north of here. The flow aloft is relatively light. Down below that, we have a moist, unstable air mass, and we'll mention scattered showers and storms. This is the high-res NAM, and trust me, the radar's not going to look like that. We're getting into the time of the year where even the 4-kilometer models aren't that much help. The higher-res models like the HRRR can be helpful in the short term, but no doubt during the peak of the daytime heating process, we'll see scattered showers and storms about. Friday, same thing. Highs up in the middle 80s. A mix of sun and clouds, scattered showers and storms. And you can take that formula and plug it in every day this weekend and next week. There's Saturday and there's Sunday. We cannot give you start-stop times for the rain. The better chance, afternoon and evening. Can't totally rule out the chance of a late night or morning shower, but the sun will be out at times. And again, for the weekend, highs should be in the middle 80s. In the next week, this is Monday, first day of hurricane season, June 1. And of course, the beginning of meteorological summer. Same thing, moist air, scattered showers and storms, Tuesday. And a week from today, heights a little below average here. And the same overall idea. Partly sunny, scattered mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. We note tropical mischief in the eastern Pacific below Baja. And looks like an inverted trough around the Bahamas, but again, no sign of any early season Atlantic or Gulf mischief there. This is the end of the forecast, June 6th, D-Day. This is the next Saturday. Pretty good little trough in here, and again, that would suggest maybe a few scattered showers and storms about. You can have fronts in the summer, but they just don't happen that often when they push all the way through here. Temperatures, highs mostly in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s to near 70 through June 11th. That looks about where we ought to be. Above average temperatures over the northeast United States and out west, below average temperatures for a pretty good chunk of Texas, if this happens to be correct. And we should mention the hurricane season outlook came out today. And I don't like these. There's not a lot of skill. What do you do with this information? And we've talked about this before, but just so we passing along here, this is from NOAA. They're expecting a below active season, below normal season, if you will. 70% chance. They're expecting 6 to 11 name storms. That includes Anna, the one we had back in May. but potential for 3 to 6 hurricanes. We'll just have to wait and see if that works out. The El Nino should keep things in check this season, but all it takes is one. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by tomorrow morning at 7. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.